When life gives you too much yogurt, no problem. Make a delicious curry. Curry or kadhi is one of the most celebrated Indian dishes. You can call it the Maharaja of all dishes. So notoriously delicious that you will not want to stop indulging. Let's dive into joys of cooking this super dish. For those indulgent weekends, I've also added pakoras, or also called as fritters, on popular demand. Let's start with the ingredients. Yogurt 30 ounces, chickpea flour 2 ounces for curry and 5 ounces for fritters, water 40 ounces, turmeric 1 teaspoon for curry and half teaspoon for fritters, curry powder 2 tablespoons, salt 1 teaspoon for curry and half teaspoon for fritters, pepper, corn 4, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon for curry and half teaspoon for fritters, cloves 4, cardamom 2, bay leaves 2, cinnamon stick ½ inch, ginger grated 1 inch, olive oil 1 teaspoon, cilantro finely chopped, green chili 2 to 3 optional, dry chili 2 to 3 optional, sesame oil for frying 30 ounces. Heat a large pan, put olive oil, cumin seeds, red chili, 2 bay leaves, and start stirring for about 30 seconds. Add ginger and add green chili to it. If you really want the spiciness and hot of green chili, you can slice it into really tiny pieces. Otherwise, you can leave them vertically cut. If you leave the seeds in, it's going to be really hot. And green chili and red chili, mind you, are really optional. They add the heat and the spiciness to curry. Soon you will hear the cumin seeds crackling and it starts turning brown. Put the flame on low flame and add turmeric powder. Let this again cook for about 3 or 4 minutes. Meanwhile it's cooking, now it's time to prepare the liquid mixture by adding yogurt, lentil flour, and top it off with water. Blend this in a blender for about 30 seconds into smooth liquid. Now put this back into the pan where the dry ingredients were cooking, the seeds and the chili and bay leaf, and put it on high flame. The reason for putting this on high flame and constantly stirring it to prevent it from disintegrating into cheesy, fluffy mixture. You want to keep it really smooth. Keep stirring on high flame for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then you can put it on low flame. Keep stirring though. Now time to add curry powder. As you add the curry powder, you also want to be aware that it's really important to keep stirring this mixture. This whole mixture of curry gets ready in about 30 minutes, but you have to constantly stir it in between. Now you can heat oil in another pan and start preparing for fritters or pakoras by adding the lentil flour and the other dry ingredients, including curry powder, cumin seeds, cilantro leaves. By putting water, make it into a thick paste and start putting it in heated oil on high flame. Transfer these pakoras into the curry mixture. The pakoras allow the curry to be more thick and add flavor to it. The pakoras should be really puffed up so that they absorb the curry flavors into them. Keep cooking the curry after you've added pakoras for about another 5 to 7 minutes. Keep stirring it on low flame and then add salt and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. Keep stirring and bring it to another boil. Curry is leaving the sides of pan now. Add cilantro, grate it finely so that it adds the freshness, flavor to the curry. You can serve it as is or with rice. Remember that if it is made without fritters, it's healthier, less calories. A bowl can be about 250 calories, but with fritters, it's about 500 calories. Like and subscribe. Until next time, be mindful when you eat. And for more healthy dishes, wait for another exciting episode. Take care.